Welcome to Inspired Kids. Today's story is about focus and determination. Long ago in Hastinapura, a young prince named Arjuna was learning archery from a wise teacher called Dronacharya. One day, Guru Drona placed a wooden bird on a tree. He wanted to test his students. He asked, "What do you see?" One student said, "The tree." Another said, "The sky and the bird." When Arjuna was asked, he said, "I see only the bird's eye." Drona smiled. "Very good. Only a focused mind can hit the target." From that day, Arjuna became the greatest archer. Moral of the story? Stay focused to reach your goal. Welcome to Inspired Kids.